This model kit review is of the BK117 ADAC helicopter, and it is a 1/72nd scale model by Revell, and there's some dimensions there, and let's see here, nothing really there, but we have some very nice pictures here of the finished model as well as the colors needed there. Nice box art there. Let's have a look inside, and we have our parts in plastic here. They're molded in yellow, so we do have, this is the left side of the fuselage with some nice surface detail. Here we have our seats and our pilot seats. We've got our engine covers there with exhausts, and here's the right side of our fuselage. No real detail on the inside. Then here's our tail boom, and there's the other side. Next we have, this must be the inside here. Here's our central console with cockpit and then loading bay. I guess you're going to have your seats in on the side, if you're going to have seats, not the rescue helicopter. Here we have our main rotors, and here's our tail rotor. Here's our tail, we've got two of those. Here's our skids. Unfortunately this looks like it's already broken. And there's our instrument panel there, two cockpit seats as well, and parts of our main rotor assembly here. Some parts for the like handles for the side of the fuselage, and our control columns there. Here's our glass, main windshield there, and all the side glass fairly nicely molded. Over here we have our instructions printed in color. Very nice, but expensive, I guess. So let's have a look inside. So just explanation of all the icons. Here is our color guide, the colors needed, and then we've got our parts listings, including the parts we won't be using. So we start off with our cockpit there, and side walls, some seats going in. Here's the instrument panel. Then the glass goes inside of our fuselage there, and now our engine bay is being built along with our exhausts. Build the other side, and glass on the other side of our fuselage, and then start to build the main rotor assembly, and that's all put along with the cockpit and loading bay inside the fuselage. Put our extra glass in there, including our windshield. Build the tail boom and handles. Next put our tails on and mount it onto the fuselage. It shows you how it should look here, along with our skids, and we've got some accessory skids there, or accessory footrests, or step up. Here's our tail rotor going on, and pitot tubes, and tail rotor protector. All those extra little details. Then main rotor assembly, and that's then mounted to the main rotor. Okay, here we have our two options for painting and decals, and actually this is, sorry, just one option here. There's just two sides. So lots of decals going on there. And there's the other side. And the underside. Along with our painting guide. Let's have a look at our decals here. Quite nicely printed and a good amount of detail. So that'll be a fun little kit to build.